In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create labels for envelopes in Microsoft Word. Creating labels is a simple and efficient way to address multiple envelopes for events, mailings, or personal correspondence. Using Word's built-in tools, you can design and print professional-looking labels quickly. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer and start a new blank document. Once the document is open, go to the Mailings tab located on the ribbon at the top of your screen. The Mailings tab contains all the tools you need for envelopes, labels, and mail merges. Next, click on the Labels option in the Create group. This opens the Envelopes and Labels dialog box. In this window, make sure the Labels tab is selected. Here, you can enter the delivery address in the Address field. Type the name and address exactly as you want it to appear on the label. After entering the address, click on Options to select the label type. In the Label Options dialog box, you can choose the brand of labels you are using, such as Avery, and then select the product number that matches your label sheets. This ensures that the text and layout fit perfectly on the physical labels. Once you have chosen the correct label type, click OK to return to the main Labels window. If you want to print multiple labels with the same address, check the box labeled Full Page of the same label. This will fill the entire sheet with identical labels. If you need different addresses for each label, you can use the New Document button to create a table where each cell represents a separate label. You can then type or paste individual addresses into each cell. When you are ready, click Print to send your labels directly to your printer. Make sure your label sheets are loaded correctly to avoid misalignment. If you prefer to review the labels before printing, click New Document to generate a preview in Word. This allows you to make any necessary adjustments to font, size, or spacing. Creating labels in Microsoft Word is a convenient way to save time, maintain consistency, and ensure your envelopes look professional. And that's it. You now know how to create labels for envelopes in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.